Hello everyone, my name is Raj Singh.
And my name is Riva Ghosh, and we are the students of TIS Spoken English Institute.
And today we'll be discussing about the topic importance of vegetarian foods. Recently we are seeing a trend that every sportsman, be it our Prime Minister, be it our best cricketer of India, Virat Kohli, all are turning vegetarian. So there must be some reason why people are turning vegetarian. Uh,
Yes,
your points?
that's what I wanted to say. That most of the vegetarian foodies which I observe in our daily lives, like our Prime Minister he said, or the Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma, the popular activists of our society, they are becoming vegetarian. So there must be some importance of vegetarian food. So the intestines of human, it's a very long intestine. You can say the diameter.
It's 6 meter long, and those animals who eat non-veg foods like tiger, they have
Yes.
only 3 meter
3
long
meters long
intestine.
intestines.
So bacteria resides there, and bacteria consumes a lot of energy.
Also, I want to add a point that the digestion procedure which follows up in the intestines, that also takes a very long time for the human being, which intestine is so much long, and there remains some the particles of the foods that does not just wash up with their essentials. So,
And
what
as
you
it
say?
remains so long, so we feel very lethargic.
Yes.
And because of that, we are unwilling to do our work. We feel sleepy, we feel drowsy, we don't feel energetic whole day long. And because of Western science theory, meat has been branded in India. We feel that without meat we cannot build a good physique. We cannot be very agile.
So the Western studies also said that the main source of protein stays in the non-vegetarian foods like protein chicken, like mutton, chicken, and egg. But the vegetarian foods also contains the most of the proteins, like in the soybeans, like in the paneer, like in the milk products. The milk contains the 10 essential amino acids. Of the essential amino acids means it has all the essentials like the non-vegetarian food. So milk is the very universal, can be treated as universal food because it contains all the proteins. So we can take up the milk in a day as a whole day. So it is very beneficial for the vegetarians to stay healthy also, and to be consume the amount of protein what the non-vegetarians are having and become
I think
equal.
the where we lack in India is that we cook our food too much. Because of that, all the vitamin C from the food goes out, and we find ourselves deficient of vitamins and minerals. And also protein. Protein can be achieved from milk, from soybean, from sprouts. All these things can be used to build our body and feel light and agile. Because vegetarian food drains out of the body very fast as compared to non-veg food, which takes 24 to 48 hours at least to drain out of the body, thus giving us a lethargic feeling. And then vegetarian.
Also, I want to here add a point about the vegetarian food. That is, it is highly spiritual kind of food. That is a vegetarian thing. Because when we kill brutally a chicken or a goat for the flesh and we eat them, then the brutally kill the emotions, that pain they has absorbed. The pain also get mixed with the
Yeah,
food.
the negative energy comes in our body,
yes,
and
that
because of
becomes
that we feel anger. We feel, our state of mind is in a very angry. We don't feel happy. We feel negative energy
Yes.
emerges. Negative emotions, negative, all the negative, not all negative things goes in our body.
That's why our society has become so much stress, so much anxiety, and so much fear issues. Because when the chicken is brutally killed, it is having so much of pain. The pain is absorbed in our food, and when you are consuming the food, the pain is also absorbing within our body. The food we eat is whatever our body becomes. Because of that, our body is growing also in some many diseases are growing also in our body.
And I'd like to add a new dimension that being vegetarian is good, but we should also have some knowledge of food combination.
Yes.
Like milk should not be consumed early morning, or milk should not be taken with honey. We should avoid protein. Protein if taken, we should take it with salads. So food combination is very important, because in a research it has been found that in USA Valium is the most sold drug. It is an gastric drug which people take for gas and acidity. So food combination we need to know to feel energetic whole day long, because in today's world everyone is working very hard for their dreams in a competitive country like India. Everyone.
Yes, I want to here add a point about vegetarian food. Not only the pure vegetarian food like the vegetables, like the fruits and the minerals like milk. There is also someone considers onion and garlics also as a vegetarian food, which I myself don't consider, because being a vegetarian, I also.
But I would like to
the-
differ that
Yes.
onion and garlic are antibiotics, means antibodies.
there
They
may be
protect us
some-
from many diseases. So they are in vegetarian foods.
Yes, but there may be some benefits of the onion and garlics, but there is some enzymes inside them that consumes wherever consuming it, the pilots also feel sleepy. That's why the pilots in our country also try to avoid the onions and garlics, because while driving they feel very much sleepy. That's why in the air hostess or in the air divisions like in army also, onion and garlic consumption is also banned. So onion and garlic, I think it should be.
But they give immunity to our body,
Yes.
and I think vegetarian food should be promoted, because as all the top athletes are already using it, all the top athletes are already using it, and it keeps us in a good frame of mind. And there is a myth that being vegetarian you cannot.
It actually, I think it
You
from
cannot
my
build a
point of view,
good physique, or you
yes,
cannot be healthy.
yes.
So this myth should be broken.
Yes.
And also we save animals, we contribute to the environment by being vegetarian, because non-veg eaters emit a large amount of methane, which is a greenhouse gas. But being vegetarian, you are also helping your environment. You are diminishing the pollution rate.
Yes, also vegetarian food is a source of high spiritual energy kind of food and not the lower vibrational food. So it also depends on our frequency level. So it also matches with the human mind frequency. So that's what
And I would like to end that we should chew our food 30 to 40 times. Then we can see the magic that by eating less we feel our stomach full, and we feel very energetic whole day long, like Ranveer Singh.
Yes, he is the charm of bunches of energy having it inside him, and we can see in him, and he is also vegetarian. So I think from all the point of view we have told and we discussed so far, so that is concluded that vegetarian food is all that should be consumed instead of non-vegetarian food. That's
Thank
why we
you,
conclude.
everyone.
Thank you everyone for watching us. Thank you.